Hey everyone, it's Kendra with Friday Notary Services. Today I wanted to talk about something called the unauthorized practice of law. And you can ignore my cat in the background. She's just gonna meow, so you have to ignore her. So the unauthorized practice of law is when somebody who is not licensed to practice law does things like gives legal advice, drafts legal documents, or provides other legal services when they shouldn't because they're not licensed to do so. And this unfortunately comes up a lot as a notary because a lot of times you'll be sitting there with somebody notarizing their documents and they'll have specific questions for you that go beyond your scope of practice. As a notary, all you're supposed to do is be able to generally describe the document that they're signing and point them in the direction of somebody who can answer the question if it's technical or legal. So you have to remember that as a notary and not cross that line. Two bad things happen if you cross that line. One, you, the notary, are going to be in big trouble. And two, you could cause all kinds of legal problems for the person signing the document if you give them legal advice that is not correct. So, that in a nutshell is unauthorized practice of law. It happened to me today, and I politely said to the person, that is a question that is out of the scope of my practice. Here is the person you need to speak to get the answer to this question. And they understood because I explained it as the fact that I would get in a lot of trouble and I could cause trouble for them. So they totally appreciated that, and everything worked out. So there you have it, the unauthorized practice of law. Don't do it. See you later.